Welcome back to Smart Dollar Mindset, the channel dedicated to helping you build smart financial habits, unlock wealth building strategies, and achieve financial freedom. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe because every week, we break down practical tips to help you save money, invest wisely, and make your money work for you. Today's topic is one that excites frequent travelers and beginners alike: how to use credit card points for flights. For many people, points and miles are just numbers on a screen that don't make much sense. But for those who understand the system, these points can unlock amazing travel opportunities. Flights that cost hundreds or thousands of dollars can be booked for little or no cash out of pocket. By the end of this video, you'll know how credit card points work for flight bookings, the best programs for airline redemptions, how to transfer points for maximum value, common mistakes that cost travelers big rewards, step-by-step strategies for turning everyday spending into free or low-cost flights. If you've ever dreamed of traveling more without emptying your wallet, you're in the right place. Let's get started. What are credit card points and why use them for flights? Credit card points are rewards you earn when you make purchases with a rewards credit card. They can usually be redeemed for various options: statement credits, gift cards, merchandise, and, most importantly for this video, travel. Here's why flights are often the best use of your points. Points redeemed for cash are typically worth 1 cent each. But when you redeem points for flights, you can often get 1.5 cents, 2 cents, or even 5 cents per point, especially when booking business or first-class tickets. This means the same 50,000 points could be worth $500 in cash, or $1,000 plus in flight value when used strategically. How to book flights with credit card points. Option 1. Book through your credit card's travel portal. Programs like Chase Ultimate Rewards, Amex Travel, and Citi Thank You Travel allow you to book flights directly using your points. If you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred, your points are worth 1.25 cents each in the portal. With Chase Sapphire Reserve, they're worth 1.5 cents each. Example: a $600 flight could cost 40,000 points with Sapphire Reserve instead of 60,000 at a base value. Pros: easy to use, similar to booking through Expedia. No blackout dates, you can book any seat you see for sale. Cons: point value is fixed, no chance of outsized value like you can get with transfers. Option 2. Transfer points to airline partners. This is where the real magic happens. Many credit card programs allow you to transfer points to frequent flyer programs, often at a 1-to-1 ratio. For example, Chase partners with United, Southwest, and Air France/KLM. Amex partners with Delta, Air Canada, Emirates, and others. By transferring points, you can access award charts and book flights for fewer points than you'd need in a portal, especially for premium cabins. Example: a business class ticket to Europe might cost $3,000 or 200,000 points in a portal. But if you transfer to Air France Flying Blue, you might book the same seat for 60,000 to 70,000 points plus taxes. That's an incredible redemption value. Step by step, using points for flights. Step 1. Accumulate points strategically. Sign up for a rewards credit card that earns transferable points. Popular choices include Chase Sapphire Preferred or Reserve, Amex Gold or Platinum, Citi Premier, Capital One Venture Rewards. The sign-up bonus. Then continue earning through bonus categories like dining and travel. Step 2. Decide your destination and program. Different airlines charge different amounts for award tickets. Research the best partners for your route using tools like Point.me Award Hacker. This will help you plan which program to use before transferring points. Step 3. Search for award availability. Log into the frequent flyer program and look for award seats. This step is critical because if there's no availability, your points transfer will be wasted, and transfers are usually irreversible. Step 4. Transfer points. Once you confirm availability, transfer your points from your credit card to the airline program. Most transfers are instant, but some take up to 48 hours. Step 5. Book and pay taxes. All award tickets come with some taxes and fees, usually minimal for domestic flights but higher for international. Even with these costs, you're still saving hundreds or thousands compared to paying cash. Advanced strategies to maximize value. Sweet spot redemptions. Every airline program has certain routes where award pricing is especially low. For example, ANA offers business class flights from the US to Japan for as little as 75,000 miles round trip. Transfer bonuses. Sometimes, credit card programs offer bonuses, for example, 30% extra when transferring to Virgin Atlantic. Take advantage of these offers to stretch your points. Stopovers and open jaws. Some programs allow free stopovers, letting you visit 2 cities for the price of 1 ticket. Book early or late. Award seats often open up either 11 months in advance or a few days before departure. Real-life example. Imagine this. You earn 60,000 Chase Ultimate Rewards points from a sign-up bonus. Instead of redeeming for $600 cash, you transfer them to United and book a round-trip flight from New York to Paris in economy for 60,000 miles plus $50 in taxes. The same flight costs $850 in cash, giving you a redemption value of 1.3 cents per point. Now take it further. Transfer the same points to Air Canada Aeroplan and book a business class ticket to Europe for 60,000 points and $100 in taxes, a $3,000 seat for 60,000 points. That's a value of 5 cents per point. Common mistakes to avoid: transferring without checking availability. Always confirm award space before moving points. Redeeming for gift cards or merchandise. These give the lowest value, usually less than 1 cent per point. Letting points expire. Keep your accounts active to avoid losing rewards. Overspending to earn points. This negates the benefits. Only spend what you can pay off in full. Final thoughts. Understanding the nuances of credit card rewards can transform your travel experience. Instead of merely accumulating points, envision them as a method to unlock a world of adventures. Every point counts, and knowing when and how to use them can lead to remarkable savings. Savvy travelers often delve deep into the world of transfer partners, which can significantly enhance the value of their points. This approach allows you to tap into various airline and hotel benefits, creating possibilities that might seem unattainable at first glance. By investing time in this educational journey, you're not just seeing the globe, you're crafting memories while maintaining financial health. Remember, the goal is to make every trip memorable without incurring debt. As you embark on this journey of maximizing your credit card points, focus on understanding the various transfer partners available to you. Each airline and hotel program has its unique offerings, making it essential to evaluate which align best with your travel goals. By strategically navigating these partnerships, you can unlock extraordinary travel experiences that might otherwise be out of reach, allowing you to explore destinations you've always dreamed of. The key to successful travel planning lies in strategic redemption. By adhering to these principles and continually educating yourself, you not only harness the power of your credit card points but also embrace a lifestyle of exploration and adventure. Financial freedom through travel becomes a tangible reality, enriching your life with unforgettable experiences while remaining mindful of your financial well-being. If this video helped you understand how to use points for flights, hit that like button, subscribe to Smart Dollar Mindset, and share it with someone who wants to travel smarter. And don't miss our other videos on credit, investing, and financial strategies to level up your money game.